Welcome to Zanzibar. Today I'm taking you inside the Marriott Nungwi Beach Resort, a beachfront property about 75 minutes from the airport. From the welcome drink at check-in to the room tour, the pools and beach, the buffet spreads, and even what you need to know about Wi-Fi power and accessibility. I'll show you exactly what it's like to stay here. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As soon as you arrive at reception, you're greeted by friendly staff members and offered a refreshing, non-alcoholic welcome drink. You're also given a hot hand towel while they provide an overview of the resort and your Wi-Fi passwords. Okay, now that we're all checked in and refreshed, let's take a look at the room. Okay, what I immediately love are the wood finishings and how it's decorated. You have your please do not disturb or please make up my room. You have a light switch here and a place for your key card. First light controls these two lights and the light down there. We will get to the bathroom later. You have your full-length mirror, a nice seating area. To the left, you have your coffee tea station. Every day they give you 2 bottles of water. You have some sugar, instant coffee, your English breakfast tea, a little refrigerator. I just love all of the wood. Little closet area with an iron and ironing board and a safe and a laundry bag if you choose to do your laundry here. To the right of the closet, they have 3 areas for storage. And isn't the bed so cute? With netting, the TV. I just love the artwork. And the lamps. When you first come in, they have fresh flowers that they put on the bed. I've stayed here already a couple of nights. You have a desk area next to the TV. A sitting area over here. And then I have a garden view right next to the pool that also has some beach views. So it has a lock, another one here, and then over there you'll have the pool. You can order food and drinks from there. They have another seating area, chest area, and then the beach is right beyond the seating areas. And every now and then you'll find some hammocks around. So this is it, guys. Let's check out the bathroom. So to the left of the door we have the bathroom. It's a nice sized bathroom. I have the toilet, bidet over here. Place your hand towels and towels. 2 rolls for the toilet paper. You have a trash bin. Nice sized sink area. Again, I love the wood accents in this hotel. Comes with 2 toothbrushes, a razor, 2 razors, hand soap, lotion, and then the shower. Has a little step to get into the shower. Not a big one, but a really, really good size shower. All right, so you have the AC there, smoke alarm. Did I show the ceiling fan? Above the coffee tea area, you have the remote control for the AC, the switch to turn it on and off, and a switch for the fan. I don't know what this is for. And then each side of the bed has its own lamp. So you have the switches right here. It has two lights, one underneath here that goes up, and then a reading light on the side. And then you can see the type of outlet that they have here. And it has two spaces for your plugs. So once you've settled into your room, you're definitely going to want to explore the rest of the resort. So let's take a step outside. The resort grounds were kept spotless throughout my entire stay. There were several walkways connecting the rooms to the pool area. The main pool area has a bar and plenty of pool chairs, and there's also a kiddie pool. As you walk from the pools towards the dining area, you'll pass the wellness center, a ping pong table, a dive center, and a gift shop. And here's the main dining room, which has beautiful views of the beach. Speaking of dining, let's check out the restaurants and see what the breakfast was like. The main restaurant does serve 3 meals a day. The breakfast spread included fresh juices and fruits, deli meats, water, several types of cheese, along with hot food options. Over here is the pancake and omelet station. In the corner between the hot food and pancake station is an area for breads, danishes, croissants, donuts, and more. To the right of the omelet station, you'll find cereal, tea, coffee, and a fresh juice bar. And once you've finished your meal, nothing beats heading down to the beach, which is literally right there. The beach area is a good size, so it's easy to find space to relax and take in the views. You can watch the boats go by, people watch, enjoy varying blue hues of the water, take a nap, or sip on your favorite drinks. There's a beach bar with seating in front of it, and staff will bring you your food or drinks directly to you if you're in one of the lounge chairs. Security is located on the beach to ensure that people walking through to get to the other side don't bother guests or enter the resort grounds. The guards use walkie-talkies to keep each other updated. At night, they set up live music on the beach for entertainment. Now, before you pack your laptop and call this a digital nomad paradise, here are a few practical notes about electricity and the Wi-Fi. Don't be alarmed if the power at the resort goes out for a few moments. Power outages are common in Zanzibar, but the hotel has generators that switched on fairly quickly. The Wi-Fi was sometimes slow. Uploading YouTube videos was nearly impossible for me to do until late at night. So if you're planning on doing remote work, pack your patience and plan accordingly. So let's talk about accessibility, something that's very important to me. Their website notes that they don't have rooms that are accessibility friendly. However, I requested a ground floor room and they were able to accommodate me at the last minute, which I really appreciated. The resort has different pricings. They have options for non-inclusive and all-inclusive. So, this was a tour of the resort. If you enjoyed this type of video, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.